Hello, anyone that cares. This is Jerry here. Just wanting to share a little bit of information for you about my Honda NC700X. It's a 2014. One of the questions that we see a lot in the forums and people going back and forth in different groups are asking about windshields, windshield size, what's good, what's bad. I can share with you what I tried, and you can take it from there. Okay, down here I have the factory windshield. I put it on top of this little guy so you could see it. It's not very tall, not a lot of coverage. This is what I'm currently running. It's the Puig Dark Touring. This thing's pretty big, beefy, does a great job of breaking the wind. I've tried a couple times in the summer to go back to this, but this does a really good job. You can see the size difference. Huge. I mean, it's a night and day. These little winglets stick out a little bit further. For this factory windshield, I did try these little guys I got off Amazon. I think they're about 20 bucks. You'll go and bolt these 4 screws directly to the bike, and then the windshield will mount directly to these. So it makes it a little bit more adjustable. That does come in handy. I think that's about it. Again, this Puig windshield, it's not the most attractive design, but it does a really good job of breaking wind. That's all I got.